If you are a Nigerian looking for online business opportunities, you are going to be confused. You are going to face a lot of options that it becomes difficult for you to actually decide on one. This video I'm making is more of a me question than a you question, but recently I've been getting confused about the kind of videos that I should upload on this YouTube channel because the options are just too many. And most people are now asking, should I do affiliate marketing or should I do e-commerce? Which one should you do? And it's a big question and it can get confusing. And the thing with all this online thing is that if you get confused, you are just going to keep going in circle and you are not going to make any money or any pathway for that matter. So I decided to make this video, and the essence of this video is to help you as you help me. So sometime last year or thereabout, I made a poll and then I asked people, should I do more of e-commerce videos or affiliate marketing video? It didn't help me because that poll was a tie. Like 50% of the people who watched that video said I should do e-commerce. The other 50 said I should do affiliate marketing. So you see, it's a very big issue, and I decided to make this video because I want you to help me as I help you. So I'm going to give you my experience, what I think about the two business models, because both of them are business models and they equally have the potential to make you a lot of money online. But of course, as is always the case, there are things that you must consider. And what I'm about to discuss or share with you in this video is purely my opinion, and I've done a lot of things online, so what I'm saying is based on pure experience. It is not speculation. It's actually things I do every day of my life. So I just want to guide you as you guide me. So if you watch this video, please tell me in the comment section again, what kind of videos do you want me to make? Because I've been thinking that maybe I should niche down and maybe do more of e-commerce videos or more of affiliate marketing videos, but I am not being aided by the way people watch my videos, because I checked most of my best performing videos were either in e-commerce or affiliate marketing. So you see, it's really confusing. So help me if you can. So in my own opinion, e-commerce or affiliate marketing as a Nigerian, this is important because as Nigerians we have a lot of our own thing. We have a lot of limitations as Nigerians, so things work very differently for us in Nigeria than other parts of the world. So ordinarily, e-commerce in other parts of the world is kind of harder to start than affiliate marketing, but in Nigeria it is not like that. E-commerce, I would say, is the best option. E-commerce is the fastest way as a Nigerian for you to make any money online. If you want to start making money almost immediately, e-commerce is the guy. And most of the people, most of these online people, most of them, they all did e-commerce. Most of them still do e-commerce because e-commerce is faster, it's easier. The only challenge you are going to have with e-commerce is that you need capital upfront. You need some money upfront because you are going to depend a lot on Facebook adverts, Instagram adverts, and stuff like that. So you are going to need the money for adverts. You are going to need the money for like buying products. Even if you are going to drop ship, at some point you still need to buy the product yourself. So that aspect is where e-commerce is hard for a lot of persons to come in, because most people do not have money to start this kind of thing. So it's a difficult position for them. So if you are in that category where you do not have money to spare to do e-commerce, then affiliate marketing might be the guy for you. But the truth is this, affiliate marketing is hard. I'm going to tell you for free. It's simple, but it's not that easy. It's hard because you need to push traffic. You need to generate traffic. And since you do not have money to run adverts, you would still need to do things organically, which means you need to either be a content creator like myself on YouTube. I have channels where I used to just make videos about affiliate offers that I promote. I have blogs that I use for affiliate offers that I promote. So these things, they somehow cost you money, but it's not as high as e-commerce, because e-commerce needs like a lump of cash. But affiliate marketing, you can join offers for free, but you need to push traffic, and pushing traffic organically, it takes time. It takes patience, and it's not easy, to be very frank. So you need to know how to blog, you need to know how to do SEO or you must create content. You have to become an influencer. You need to push traffic on Facebook, Pinterest, Quora, all of these places. These are the things you need to know how to do to be successful with affiliate marketing. So while with e-commerce, the learning curve is not that high. You don't need SEO, you don't need to design blogs, you don't need to do keyword research and all of that. You just need a product, and then you need to know how to run Facebook adverts and deliver, and you make money faster. So in summary, e-commerce or affiliate marketing is going to depend on you, the money that you have. If you have some money and you want to make that money multiply faster, e-commerce is the easiest way. All right. If you do not have money and you want to get into the online thing, affiliate marketing is cool, but you are going to be incredibly patient. Your first sale is going to be very hard to come by, unless of course you are an influencer or you have a huge source of traffic. So these are basically my view. I do both of them, and the reason why I can do both of them is because I've been doing a lot of these things from the very beginning. So it's no more taxing for me. But for you as a beginner, you might just want to pick one and start. So if you have money, e-commerce. If you do not have money, affiliate marketing. This is my own view. So tell me, what do you think? What kind of videos do you think I should make more? Affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or the both of them? And I'm equally creating a course for e-commerce because I do e-commerce more than I do affiliate marketing. So I'm creating a course for people who want to learn e-commerce properly. So if you're one of these guys who want to learn e-commerce properly, how everything works, complete guide, I'll put a link to that course in the description of this video. And if you watch this video and you want to take that course, just send me a message. Tell me that you are coming from YouTube, and I'm going to make you a significant discount for watching this video to this point and coming through this video to take that course. So that is my view about this topic. Hope I was helpful to you. Please subscribe, and regardless, I'll still be creating content around e-commerce or affiliate marketing, but still tell me what you think. Which one should I focus more on? I'll be waiting for you, because as you should know, the first thing and the most important thing is that I am your friend and I just want to share information with you. My name is Goodnoel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.